What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here with mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois, and today I'm bringing all of you this 1971 Ford Mustang Mach 1 F code, and this car is one of the most iconic, in my mind, Mustangs. This car is such a cool car. It's got dual exhaust, headers, Flowmaster dual exhaust. Finished in the yellow with the black stripe. That's an iconic color combo for the 71 Mach 1. Got some late model wheels on there. Kind of gives a little bit of a Pro Touring look. Goodyear letter tires. Car runs and drives great. Got plenty of power. Just a blast to drive. Here's your engine bay. Pretty simple. Pretty factory under here. You know, they never did nothing too crazy here. Stock appearing for the most part. I'm gonna close this hood. It's got the hood scoop here. Hood closes really nice. Lines up great. The interior, it's original, so it has its nicks here and there. It does have an aftermarket knob-to-knob stereo with cassette, heat, climate controls. Pretty simple here. White and black interior combo. Mach 1 back there. If you take this car to a car show, you probably won't see many other ones like it there. I mean, it's pretty uncommon to see a 71 Mach 1 at car shows. I mean, I've only seen a handful that retain the stock appearance, and this one is pretty much stock appearing except for the wheels. Interior, I mean, you got some cracks on the dash, but overall it is in pretty good shape for the age, especially. You got your floor shifter there. The best part about this car is that it runs and drives great. It has plenty of power, like I said. I mean, just a great car. I mean, you could drive this car anywhere. I would trust it driving to California. I'll sit down here. You got your gauges in the middle, oil, alt, temp, odometer, reads 55,000 miles, clock, fuel gauge. Take the keys out, I'll show you the trunk area. Pretty simple over here. Key. Trunk, pretty good condition. It closes really nice. For being a Mustang, this is a pretty big car. I mean, I would compare this to the size of that Monte Carlo right there, but doesn't mean that it's bad, because in my mind, I always loved big cars, and I think this is one of my favorite generation Mustangs. It's more on the different side of things. You don't see them as much. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. We have around 250 cars. It's just one of our warehouses right here. If interested in this car, you can visit mgmclassiccars.com, view photos of it, or you can see some of our other inventory. You can also call 848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. We offer special financing for these classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States to your door. It's been a pleasure. Thank you everyone for watching. Remember to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope to see all of you here at MGM Classic Cars, checking out this 71 Mustang. Our business hours and days, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, Saturday, 10 to 2, all by appointment only. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and I hope everyone has a great day, and I hope to see you here checking out this 71 Mustang Mach 1. Bye-bye, everyone.